So we're going to be doing an experiment of the volcano eruptions. Now we're going to be putting a baking soda and a vinegar to make the volcano eruptions happen. So this is our volcano model so that it looks like volcanoes and you'll see as they will erupt. We're gonna put some food colorings to make lava. Wow. Okay. How are we gonna mix it? Don't put too much!
Now we need to mix it somehow.
No. Okay, try it.
There you go.
Why you use your finger? That looks like blood. Now we're going to put a vinegar to make it look as if it has erupted.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
So as you can see, the volcanoes erupted like this, and the lavas that come all over the place, they can make some negative effect for the people who live near the volcanoes. Okay. Thank you!
Thank you.